Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, towing package, voice-activated command system, sync, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.